Polite language, mastering clarification questions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of clarification questions, with a specific focus on using polite language. This crucial skill will not only help you understand conversations better but also make your interactions smoother and more respectful. So, let's get started. In any language, being polite is key to effective and respectful communication. When we talk about polite language in English, it often involves using certain phrases, expressions, and indirect language. Using polite language in clarification questions can help you avoid misunderstanding and foster better communication. Forming polite clarification questions involves using certain structures and phrases. Here are a few examples. 1. Could you please? Example. Could you please explain what you mean by that? 2. Would you mind? Example. Would you mind clarifying that point? 3. I'm sorry, but could you? Example. I'm sorry, but could you repeat that? 4. I'm afraid I didn't understand, could you? Example. I'm afraid I didn't understand your last point. Could you rephrase it? Remember, the key is to sound genuinely interested and respectful, not as if you're questioning the other person's abilities. Another strategy to make your clarification questions sound polite is to soften your language. This can be done by using phrases such as just, a little, or possibly. For example, instead of saying, could you explain that again? You could say, could you possibly explain that just a little more? While the words we use are important, so is the way we deliver them. When asking clarification questions, make sure your tone is friendly and open, not confrontational. Similarly, nonverbal communication, like maintaining eye contact and nodding, can show you're engaged and respectful. That wraps up our discussion on using polite language when forming clarification questions. Remember, good communication is not just about understanding, but also about respect and empathy. We hope this video will help you navigate English conversations with more confidence and politeness. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.